Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update error code 0x800f0987. With this error 0x800f0987 normally occurs in Windows during an anomaly with the installations process, whether of cumulative updates or security patches. So some users they will find that the update get stuck is filing continuously or shows an error message with no details provided. Several reasons why Windows Update error code 0x800f0987 appears are corrupted or incomplete components of Windows Update, damaged system files, conflicts with a third-party antivirus software, or firewalls and problems with the internet connections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open, and dito lang sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa most frequent, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update, at dito lang sa right side kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed, and hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay same dito lang sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung desk cleanup. Ayan, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung desk cleanup app, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And then dito sa kanyang desk cleanup drive selections, so select the drive you want to clean up. So dito sa drives ay select ka lang dito kung anong drive yung gusto mong i-clean up. So select lang natin tong C drive and click mo lang dito yung OK. And wait natin na ma-complete yung calculating. And then dito lang sa kanyang desk cleanup and files to delete. So select ka lang dito kung anong files yung gusto mong i-delete. Alright? So na dito yung mga box. So click mo lang tong box. And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung OK. And then, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And then, click mo lang dito yung delete files. And wait natin, ma-complete. Ayan. And then, after ma-complete yung cleanup and the next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, same. So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space // DNS. So, i-type mo lang yung command keyword na ipconfig space // DNS and press mo lang yung enter and successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSS space wensack space reset. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space wensack space reset and press mo lang yung enter and successfully reset the wensack catalog. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ulit ay type mo lang dito yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And that verifications 100% complete. And again, so ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung dsem space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay paste natin dito. Gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then press mo lang yung enter and deployment image and servicings management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang hintayin ulit na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, the restore operations completed successfully. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang si start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x800f0987 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.